Value Education Class. Lesson 1. The Little Apple. Characters are the narrator, the apple tree, little apple, and the big apple. Narrator. Once there was a little apple that clung tightly to a branch. Big apple. Why are you holding the tree branch so tightly? Little apple. I'm scared. I don't want to fall to the ground. It's hard and dusty on the ground. Big apple. But good things come from the ground. Little apple. What good things? Look below. The ground is filled with worms and bugs. I can also see so many rotten apples lying on the ground. Big apple. I know you are worried, little apple, but if you fall from the tree, good things will still happen to you. Be patient. Little apple. Oh, I just want to get picked and go to some special family. I want to live in a fruit bowl where everyone admires my red skin. Oh, I just can't wait to sit on top of all the other fruits in a bowl. Big apple. An apple has much more value. Little apple. Yes, I know what you mean. Maybe one of the children will take me to school for lunch and eat me as a snack. He will find out that I am healthy and tasty. Oh, I just cannot wait for these good things to happen to me. Big apple. Yes, but these good things will happen to you only during this season. Little apple. What do you mean? Big apple. Once you are eaten, your core will be thrown in the dustbin. Little apple. Yes, but what can I do about that? This happens with all the apples. What other life can there be for me? Big apple. Now, if you will just slow down, I will tell you. Little apple. Hurry, the wind is picking up. Again, I don't want to fall to the ground. Big apple. See, when the wind comes, you may be shaken from the tree and fall to the ground. Then your shiny red skin will keep you away from splitting apart. Once on the ground, a hungry bird or a squirrel may find you a way to eat you. Then your core will be left. Little apple. That is what I just said too. Big apple. Now your core will do the most important work, but you will have to be patient. Little apple. What will I have to do? Big apple. Let your core rot and mix with the soil. Your seeds will get buried in the earth. They will remain in the soil for some time. Be patient. Slowly, wonderful things will happen. Your seeds will sprout and you will grow into a new tree. Little apple. Wow, then I am going to be patient. Narrator. The winds pick up. Both the apples swing on the tree and fall to the ground. They patiently wait to do their work and then get in a new life. So students, this lesson teaches us the value of tolerance. We need to develop patience to get through difficult situations. जैसे कि अब कोविड-19 की वजह से हम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड होते हैं घर पर ही रहकर. We should not trouble our parents and elders. हमें छोटी छोटी बातों के लिए ज़िद नहीं करना चाहिए. अपने पेरेंट्स को ओबे करना चाहिए. We should read and try to develop skills. These days you have so much time. So we should utilize our time to develop skills and good habits. First and foremost, we need to develop patience and tolerance. Now for your homework, read the lesson twice and tell the story to your brothers and sisters.